However, some addicts say they found a cure with a little-known drug that's illegal in the U.S. NBC 26's Megan Lowry explains the catch with this so-called miracle drug.
The so-called cure works so well, heroin addicts get clean almost instantly. But the problem is it's illegal and there are some serious risks involved. But we spoke to one young man who knew if he didn't do something, his addiction to heroin would kill him.
Relapse was more violent than the previous time.
That's when Jake and his family considered another option, Ibogaine, a potent hallucinogenic drug that comes from a plant in Africa. It's said to greatly reduce withdrawal symptoms and drug cravings. The big problem? It's illegal in the U.S.
I started looking into it, my parents looked into it, and I was like, you know, maybe there's something to this, but I was still very skeptical.
But Jake was also desperate, his life out of control, so he decided to give it a try.
Welcome to Ibogaine University.
This clinic in Mexico has been treating drug addicts with Ibogaine for the past 4 years.
Come to Mexico, you do it in a place that's legal and safe, and then you go home clean and sober.
It's staffed by former users and a full medical team. They pre-screen candidates and test the drug on them first. Then doctors give addicts one individualized dose of Ibogaine.
You prevent the patient from going into physical withdrawals, and also you prevent the patient from actually getting the cravings to continue using again. It kind of resets the brain's chemistry.
Ibogaine University has seen more than 600 people and say they've never had a fatality. Jake spent about 10 days in Mexico and was amazed how he felt after his Ibogaine treatment.
It got me clean overnight, took away all my withdrawals. I mean, it's a gift.
Now Jake looks forward to the future, a future without drugs. There's been very little research done on Ibogaine, so experts are hesitant to call it a cure, but addicts who have used it say it's helped them get clean and stay clean.
Ibogaine is an alkaloid that is extracted from an African psychedelic plant. It is used under experienced medical supervision to treat both psychiatric disorders as well as addiction. As Ibogaine can help diminish the reuptake of serotonin and dopamine in the brain, it can help diminish symptoms of psychiatric disorders such as depression, anxiety, PTSD. As well as in patients with addiction, as it binds to opioid receptor sites, it can prevent patients from going into physical withdrawal and diminish cravings from opiate addiction as well as other drugs.